Okay, here we are at Austin, Texas on the run up the main straight. You've got this amazing elevation in towards turn one. Brake in a nice straight line and feed the car in second gear at the apex. Watch the exit as well. You don't want the car to snap out on you. Now prepare yourself for what's to come. This looks like a fantastic series of corners, reminiscent of Silverstone's Maggotts and Beckett's. Feed the car left and right, and it continues on, and you want to keep the car as straight as you possibly can. Now as you head up the hill towards turn 8, reserve the speed mid-corner to open up turn 9 as you head now down the hill through the kink of turn 10 and towards turn 11. Now look to the right-hand side. The brake marker boards help you at the 100-meter board. Slow it all back down into first gear. Very, very tight apex there, and watch out for the traction on the exit because it's an important straight, this one, to get onto cleanly. A good chance in racing conditions as well to have a go down the inside, maybe in towards turn 12. Coming up now, again, right-hand side, you've got the brake marker boards, leads you into this corner. Sacrifice the exit slightly, bring it back over to the left so that you can open up this double right-hand corner of turns 13 and 14. Bring it to the right-hand side, miss the left-hand apex to start off with before clipping the apex at turn 15 itself. Now bring the car to the left-hand side to open it up in this fantastic triple apex right-hand corner. Feel the G-force build up on your neck through this one, and now feed the car to the right-hand side for this 90-degree left that follows. Keep the speed as much as you can up to this next left-hander down into second gear, and that's a more straightforward corner that leads you on to the final straight and the start-finish line here in Texas.